Hey, what's going on, guys? Yo, yo, yo. Happy Monday. Well, I just put in the new igniter coil right here. Got this from eBay. Well, how much I pay? I think $15. $15.20. There's the old one right here. Yeah. It's crazy, though. I thought these were the aftermarket, but these are actually Toyota. Ain't that something? Look, Toyota by Diamonds. It's trip, huh? But, man, one thing bad about the design, the grommet right here always tend to break off inside. So I had a good minute to get this thing out. I ended up getting like a coat hanger. Flatten out, took a flathead, pulled it out. Yeah, that's one thing bad about these. This I guess it's probably old, probably. I don't know, but yeah, got it all running. Got the new igniter coil in. This thing runs like a champ. This is probably the third repair I did so far on this car, besides the springs and the shocks. All right, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Take care.